Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a couple of icons, or a few icons rather, and one of them should be like this big icon. Right now it's sleep, but by default I believe it's called the mode. And when you tap on this icon, this one, it will allow you to select one of the modes, and we have Do Not Disturb mode and sleep mode. And this option basically shows the latest option that was enabled. That's why it sees sleep right here, or shows sleep right here, because I enabled sleep before. But if we tap on this icon, tap on Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, it will change to the Do Not Disturb mode, and you will see that the icon got highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And also on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which also tells you that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you can open the quick panel again, tap on Do Not Disturb mode icon, and then tap on Do Not Disturb mode option. It will uncheck it, then we can go back, and as you can see, the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled, and it stayed as Do Not Disturb mode. Like I said before, it shows you the latest option used right here. You can also do this through the settings. So if you press the Chrome button to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings you can scroll through the menu and look for the option called, I believe it's going to be focus, yeah, this one. You can tap on it. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode and sleep. You can tap on Do Not Disturb mode, turn it on or off by tapping on the switch, but you can also scroll down and set up a schedule for it. Basically, it will turn on automatically at specific time and turn off automatically at specific time. Here we have pre-existing schedule. You can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch, but you can also add your own by tapping on at time. And here we have start and repeat. Start basically is the time on which the mode will be turning on, Do Not Disturb mode. We can tap on it, set it to something we like. For example, I'm gonna set it to 10:30 p.m. like this. Then we have the end time, so tap on end, and this will be like 7:30 a.m. Okay. Come on, give me the 30. And then check mark, and repeat option allows you to select on which days the schedule should be active, and you can tap on repeat, and we have list of days, and you can check or uncheck the boxes next to them. I'm gonna check the Friday, maybe Tuesday, and maybe Sunday, and then tap on OK. And now we have Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. We can tap on OK to confirm our schedule, and here we have it. It will be turned on automatically, and my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. Every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. You can turn it on or off. You can tap on it to edit it if you want to change something, and you can also delete the schedule by tapping on the delete button right here in the edit menu. Okay, and I believe that's all. That's how you use the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.